Are you thinking about starting an Amazon business or finally taking your current FBA store seriously? Then you're in luck. Right now, there's a Jungle Scout coupon code that offers you up to 44% off their most powerful plans, and this deal isn't available through the main site. It's a hidden discount accessible only through the verified affiliate link in the description. Jungle Scout has become the leading all-in-one platform for Amazon sellers because it gives you what really matters: real-time data, automation, and tools that save you hours while helping you grow smarter. Whether you're a first-time seller or managing a large product portfolio, Jungle Scout gives you an edge you won't find anywhere else. Let's take a closer look at what each plan includes and how you can use this limited time deal to your advantage. The starter plan is designed for beginners who want to validate product ideas quickly. Usually priced at $49 per month, it's available now for only $29. You get the Chrome extension, product tracker, and access to the supplier database, 3 essential tools for finding a winning product and a reliable manufacturer to source it from. The Growth Accelerator plan is ideal for sellers who already have momentum or want to ramp up fast. Instead of the regular $69 per month, you only pay $39. This plan includes Keyword Scout to identify search terms that actually convert, review automation to increase your seller feedback without extra effort, and Listing Builder to optimize your Amazon pages for more sales. If you're building a real brand, then the Brand Owner plus Competitive Intelligence plan is your best bet. It's $129 per month and includes next-level insights, competitor tracking, market share reports, ASIN level performance data, and more. This plan helps you outmaneuver other sellers by relying on hard numbers, not guesswork. All plans are backed by Jungle Scout's 7-day money-back guarantee. No risk, full transparency. And here's the best part. We've included a full tutorial below that walks you through how to use the tools in real time. You'll see exactly how to find a profitable product, what filters to use, and how to analyze the market with precision. Click the link in the description to activate your deal now, or scan the QR code on screen if you're on mobile or watching from your TV. This exclusive discount could disappear at any time, so don't miss your chance to claim it. Jungle Scout is more than software. It's your launch pad. And now it's on sale. Make it count.